Hello, good morning, Mrs. Viola, and good morning, everybody. Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Hendri Kusdodo.
My name is Herdy Cahyanti.
And my name is Ikhwan Arif Dermawan.
Okay, at this moment, we will discuss about Zifeng Tower. Zifeng Tower, or Nanjing Greenland International Commercial Center. Timeline, designed on 2004, project development 2005, and project completed at 2010. Next, location. The building is located at 1 Yongjiang Street, Gulo District, Nanjing, Jiangsu.
Okay, the mission of the project one one nine six one two 12 secure marries the Nanjing Garden Intercontinental Hotel is like 10 seats the tower. Owner or developer one Garden Group. 2. Nanjing Goose Garden Financial Center. 3. Nanjing State-owned assets. 1. The Springer Open and Marine LLP. Actis China Industrial Design and Design Extras. Structure Angle. Distinct Skimmer offering and Merrill LLP as China Venture Design and Christian Institute India.
Next concept. For reason of pride or wanting to become a world icon, many countries make tall build Zifeng Tower or also known as Greenland Center, Zifeng Tower or Greenland Square. Zifeng Tower is located in Nanjing, China. This is a documentation of Zifeng Tower. The reason we choose the build. Number one, the building is one of the tallest building in the world. Two, modern. 3. It's one of the tallest building in China.
Okay, and the next material is structural system of Zifeng Tower, or Nanjing Greenland International Commercial Center. 1. Building structure types. In the building structure, using a triggered frame system, which is an additional structural system in the form of a large dimension truss, which is attached to the core with the building exterior columns. Detail engineering design. Lateral load resisting system. You can see in this picture. The picture show about lateral load resisting system, a trigger and belt truss configuration. The gravity load-bearing structural system consists of structural steel floor frame supporting an 155 mm composite metal deck floor plate. Lateral load-resisting system. The supercore center reinforced concrete and exterior composite column and then transmit the floor framing loads to the foundation.
Okay, photograph of Author's Commission. The primer moment frame system for this additional traditional rigidity, structural integrity, and reduce the for the entry building. Next, number one, eh, sorry, structure and the structure and risk. Number one, the upper system is as a structural system in the building because it is effective for countering lateral loads. When lateral loads act on the structure, little wind or expect The structural and non-structural damage can be minimized. Number two, the order farming can be regular then and comparing the food, the net for conditions, resulting in more exponential building playing. Next, structure weakens. Number one, pick and do to the inside of the pen after to stack up a lot of stack on the floor where the upper cruise is installed.
Reason for selecting system structure. The building is defined as an overlimit and complex structure. For a building in China which is due to the 450 meters height of the structure. Chinese quote the limit of laying steel frame concert core structure is 1919 meters. Therefore, the outrigger frame system was chosen to supply the structure. And this this is for other information about Zifeng tower structure. Building structure system type of technology. First, the Zifeng tower building has a special system to deal with fire. There are holes on each side of the build. This hole serves to direct the flow of smoke exit the building so as to slow down the occurrence of fire, minimize damage building and reduce the spread of smoke to keep users safe.
The next material is substructure of Zifeng tower. Building structures. It is building structures using the intricate frame system, which is an additional structural system in the form of a large dimension truss, which is installed connecting the cores with the exterior column of the building. Building structures. Structural system for gravity and lateral loads. 1. The gravity load-bearing structural system consists of structural steel frame framing that supports a 155 mm thick composite metal jack floor slab. The inner floor framing of the supercore consists of reinforced concrete beams supporting one-way reinforced concrete slab. Supercore. Center reinforced concrete and exterior composite column and then transmit floor framing loads to the foundation. The next, digital engineering design. You can see this picture. This picture uh, showing about detail engineering. Okay, next, Alda.
Yes, the method of implementing the substructure. Number one, mobile mobilization of space to the project still. Number two, then after the location of the flick alternate point is the international start is carried out the plan flick point to the spirit and flick. Number three, determine the integrity level of the clean cloud for the area and volume parameter of the phase using the pen or conventional or built using Aris PVD. The, the technology and materials as as the Zifeng Tower foundation. The foundation is part of the less structure and foundations to snip the rock to the ground. For that, the foundation must be laid on hard ground. The minimum the depth for the portion is six seven six seven lit cell. The star Morris of the problem is carrying out later the field letter of the limbs one has the technology and materials are material number one counter 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 is a common part of wedding. Counter can be variably set or pin aggregate grapple or construction aggregate pattern and comet. Number two, region contract. Region contract is the most important part of making a house Ikhwan research warm workmanship and quality of regional control must be controlled very much because it can protect the material of external influences. Next.
Analysis. First, triangular. 2. Advantage. 3. Form relates to its site, provides stone view of the nearby mountains, lake, and historic building. Irate visit treatment is interesting, adding depth and texture to the imposing form while allowing natural ventilation. The office tower is served by floor variable volume supply air handling units with variable speed drive. Type, type of pile foundation. First, unbearing pile. The distribution of loads where most of the bearing capacity is a result of hard-ground resistance at the end of the pile. The pile that is inserted into the hard soil layer theoretical states that the entire load of the pile is transferred to the hard layer to the end, the end of the pile.
The next material is upper structure Zifeng tower. 1. Part of upper structure. The typical floor-to-floor height is 6 meters to 7 meters in the podium zone, 4.2 meters in the office zone, and 3.8 meters in the hotel zone. A mechanical floor is generally a double height room with a height of 8.4 meters. Steel columns embedded near the edge of the core wall are extended a minimum of 3 stories above and below the outrigger frame to aid in transferring the force developed under lateral loading. The structure is made from steel as well as reinforced concrete and steel. The building's exterior walls consist of separate the building's texture glass surface panes of glass sets at angles within striker modulus, resembling the scale of a dragon. Horizontal and vertical seams work as
Okay, part of other super. The primary radial system constant of intercell region counter super or serval system and a interior composite plume main material penetration. Next, detail ingredient. Next, the mode of implementing the substructure. Plum wort is a plate that will transmit rock or partial and later falls to the pantheon. The sister construction of the plum will determine the amount of the lateral portion that will be the plum.
The method of implementing the substructure. The beam is part of the construction which function to carry the floor load and the loads that work on it and then transfer the load to the columns. Beam homework, beam phenomenon casting. The method of implementing the substructure, core, wall, and project is a component project that retains lateral force on a structure in the form of a continuous wall and is located at the centroid of the build. The first structure of topology. First, withstand gravity loads consists of steel floor framing. Second, supercore central reinforced concrete and exterior composite columns. Third, the closed shape of the supercore perimeter provides torsional rigidity to the building as whole. The lateral system is located in the main tower. Upper structure of technology. In a tall building design, sheet loads caused by wind or earthquake force are of resist using a system of gravity. The system is often used because of its function of binding to structural component to provide sufficient tension to the structure and thereby guarding excessive movement caused by side loads.
upper structure analysis. The upper structure of the tower is composed of a central concrete core support through external columns set in a glass curtain wall. Within fins of glass extending past of the corner of the upper building. The tower offers a dramatic sight, particularly when illuminated at night. Next, other information. The floor frame in the supercore consists of reinforced concrete blocks supporting one bay reinforced concrete slab. The central reinforced concrete supercore and exterior composite column then transmit the floor frame loads the foundation. Oh, okay, I think that's enough. We apologize for the word error. The presentation that was not facing the final word. Last I say good morning.